Let's chat about how to enter PayPal fees into your Etsy seller spreadsheet. Now, first I want you to make sure that this actually applies to you. If you are using Etsy's integrated direct checkout, Etsy payment system, whatever it is called these days, then you're probably able to accept payment via PayPal in your Etsy shop, but it's part of your Etsy payments, meaning the sale amount does not go directly into your PayPal account straight from Etsy. It actually goes into your Etsy account, and then you can transfer it to your bank account, to your PayPal account, whatever. So first, let me be clear on whether or not you even need to worry about doing this. As of April 2019, Etsy has actually announced that they will no longer allow standalone PayPal to be an option for checkout for your customers in your Etsy shops. So if you happen to be one of the more seasoned Etsy sellers who was grandfathered into being allowed to continue to use standalone PayPal as an option, that is ending for you, and it's been ended for pretty much everyone else for the past 2 to 3 years. Most of us these days, and all of us from this point going forward, are able to offer PayPal in our Etsy shops, but it's integrated with Etsy payments, meaning the customer can still check out via PayPal, but all that money is going into your Etsy payments account. It is not going directly into your PayPal account, even if they check out with PayPal. So from this point in time going forward, once this change is made, you really only need to worry about entering PayPal fees here if you accept PayPal outside of Etsy. If you've got your own standalone shop, if you sell on social media, if you send PayPal invoices for custom orders, or if you use a PayPal card reader or whatever, if you have any PayPal sales outside of your Etsy shop, you have PayPal fees that you will want to enter here. And I'm going to review how to do that real quick. Another quick note to make is that there is this PayPal import add-on available at paperandspark.com. So if you do have a lot of PayPal sales, PayPal fees, etc., then this may be worth looking into as an easy and quick way to import in those PayPal sales and fees. If you're okay manually figuring it out and manually entering it on your Etsy seller spreadsheet, then that's what I'm going to show you how to do for those PayPal fees right now. So this tutorial is only going to apply if you have a business PayPal account. I highly encourage you to have a business PayPal account. It's free and gives you a lot more tools and reporting that's helpful as a business owner. So log into your PayPal account and click reports. Then you want to click on your statements and go to your monthly statement. This is going to generate a handy little PDF or CSV of your monthly PayPal activity. I'm going to request the PDF version of February. Keep in mind that sometimes these are not available until after the 10th of each month for that prior month, so you may have to wait to download this. And then at some point it finally goes from in progress to being available to download. You can download that PDF, open it, and once you scroll down to page 2, you will see your fees for the month. So my PayPal fees for the month of February were $327.68. I can easily enter that right here on the orange row of my monthly summary tab for February. So that's how I can quickly find my PayPal fees for the month. If you use PayPal to make a lot of purchases for your business, then I'd encourage you to go ahead and download or save or print this 2-page PDF. Once you scroll down to page 4 of it, you'll start to see a transaction by transaction breakdown of what happened that month in PayPal. And this is a good way to find your expenses if you use PayPal to pay for your expenses that you may want to enter on your spreadsheet here. And this is especially true if you use PayPal for shipping. You can look through for any transactions and that go to USPS shipping and enter those on your postage tab again. Or if you have any other business expenses listed in that report, you want to enter them on the applicable place of your expense tab. And we're going to talk about how to use those expense tabs next. But I just want to point out that this PDF from PayPal may be useful to you for doing the rest of your books for the month.